The Auto Stop Start feature in your Chevy Malibu is an intelligent system that automatically manages your engine to improve fuel efficiency. When you come to a complete stop, like at a red light or in traffic, the system automatically shuts off your engine to save fuel. As soon as you release the brake pedal, the engine instantly restarts and you can continue driving normally. This feature comes standard on most 2020 and newer Chevy Malibu models equipped with automatic transmissions. The system relies on specialized components to handle the frequent engine restarts. It uses an enhanced starter motor designed for repeated use and an AGM battery for reliable power delivery. Here's how the complete system works in your Malibu. The 2.5-liter engine integrates seamlessly with the automatic transmission and stop-start technology. The primary benefit is improved fuel economy. In city driving conditions with frequent stops, you can expect about 3 to 5% better fuel efficiency. It's important to understand that this feature is tied to EPA fuel economy ratings and emissions compliance. This is why Chevrolet doesn't offer a permanent factory option to disable the system. While you cannot permanently disable the Auto Stop Start feature from the factory, you can temporarily turn it off each time you drive your Chevy Malibu. The easiest way to disable Auto Stop Start is by pressing the Auto Stop button on your dashboard. This button looks like the letter A with a circle and arrow around it. When you press this button, the system will be disabled for your current driving session. You'll typically see an indicator light showing the system is off. Some Chevy Malibu models also allow you to adjust Auto Stop Start preferences through the infotainment system. Look for vehicle settings or preferences in your touchscreen menu. The Auto Stop Start system will also automatically disable itself under certain conditions to protect your engine and ensure proper vehicle operation. These conditions include when the engine is not at optimal operating temperature, when the air conditioning is working heavily to cool the cabin, or when the battery charge is insufficient. Remember, the most important thing to understand is that disabling Auto Stop Start is only temporary. Each time you turn off and restart your Malibu, the system will automatically re-engage, and you'll need to disable it again if desired.